No more I'm singing. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to when we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing great myself. In today's video, I want to give you a quick review of this wig I am wearing. I did a video on this wig, which I know that you have seen it by now on my YouTube channel, and of course I wanted to try it on me and I actually tell you what I think about this wig. So if you want to know how I made this wig, click the link down below this video. There's a link in the description box. You can click it and watch it for yourself how I made this wig. If you want to know what I think about this wig, keep watching. This is how it looks like. So I'm just going to wear it. This is the inside. Okay, I'm just going to wear that and wow. Let me just turn to the back. So, first of all, let me tell you what I think about this wig. Guys, this wig is, for me, I really love it. I don't know if I love the hair or I love the fact that it is a wig. I love both. The fact that it is a wig that I can always just come back home and just, you know, take it out, and I love the fact that it is full, like it is bomby and it wants to look a bit like an afro. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. The only thing is that this part right here, this closure, is not very neat, but guys, it is okay because it's a black, because hair is actually black, right? So nobody really notice it. So nobody really notice it, but for me, I'll say it's really nice. But I would say that if you do this on a color weave-on, I feel like the thread is going to show a little bit, but for me it doesn't really matter. Like, who wants to come and sit on top of my head to look at my clothing, my part, you know, if it's closure or if it's thread, or like, want to come and sit on top of my head? Girl, focus here and focus at the back. That's all that matters. Focus front and back. Okay, like, are you going to really climb on the chair to come and climb on top of my head to come and look what it's like? Anyway guys, I'm just joking. I love the wig. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I will leave a link right down below this video so you can go and watch how I made this wig. It's very easy. I always use a thread and needle to do all my weave, to do all my wigs, sorry. because for me I feel like it lasts longer. Like I don't have to worry, oh it's coming out, the bonding is coming out, I have to put another glue, I have to do no, and I can always take it down anytime I want and do a different style if I really want to, and maybe I can really put it down and use it if I want to use it to do another thing. You know, it's for me it's quite doable and durable. Like I just love the wig. What do you think? This is my honest review about this wig, guys. So I have a plan, I have in mind to do another wig. This one is like a pure afro, like this kinky afro. I have the kinky attachment. I wanted to do that, but I feel like let me do this one first. So I'm going to do that wig and let me see how it turns out. And the style that I'm most definitely very scared of, like I've never tried before, that's what I want to do on that wig, and let me see how it's going to look on me for the first time. There's nothing wrong in trying something for your first time. Even if you've never tried something before, just try it and see how it looks like on your body. You might never know, it might turn out good, and even if it doesn't turn out good, there's no harm in it. You can always try other things. So yes guys, this is my honest review on this wig. I wanted to show you guys how it looked on me. So this is how it looks like, and then just tell me what you think. Do you like it? And drop a comment down below this video and let me know what you think. Very appreciate your honest comments, you know, and of course there's always room for improvements. And yeah, I want to appreciate all my viewers. If you're new, if you're old, thank you for clicking on this video today. I appreciate you. God bless you all, and do not forget to drop your comments down below and let me know what you think. Hit on that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Of course, a notification bell is going to come up. Click that bell so whenever I upload a new video, you will get to watch it. Until then guys, to have a great day. Bye. Stay blessed always.